I'm going to be unboxing a case for the Samsung Galaxy J2 from Metro by T-Mobile. And as you can see here on the package, it says made in China, Samsung J2 card. So now let's get the case out of this package so we can see it clearly. As you can see here inside, we have a pattern, and we have the opening for the camera, flash, and speaker, as you can see there. On the left side, we have raise button for the volume rocker. At the bottom, we have the opening for the micro USB charging port and the 3.5mm headphone jack, and also the mic. On the right side, we have the raise button for the power button, as you can see there. And at the top, we're going to have some pattern design, as you can see there. So at the back, as you can see here, we have a kickstand. There you go. And we also have a pattern design on the back. And as I said before, we have the opening for the camera, LED flash, the speaker. So that's all about the case. This is a 2-layer case, as you can see there. So now let's insert the device so we can see how it looks. Okay guys, so this is how it looks with the device. As you can see here, this is the Samsung Galaxy J2 from Metro by T-Mobile. So this is how everything looks. It fits really nice, and the buttons works with no problem, as you can see there. The volume rocker, up, down, up again, and the power button. There you go. Everything works good. So now let's try the kickstand. There you go. That's gonna be all for this video. If you would like to get this case for the Samsung Galaxy J2 from Metro by T-Mobile, I will be providing the link down below. So thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please click the like button. You can subscribe to my channel so you can get more content. If you have any question, please leave it down below. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.